Hi, this is Melanie, and I am going to go through a quick preview lesson that I will be using with my first grade speech and language students in coordination with their teachers to kind of preview some of the vocabulary and directions that they will be needing when they are in the whole group. Some of the students have a difficult time with attention and following multi-step directions and vocabulary, so this is a great way to preview. So I will be treating you as if you are my students as we go through this project. All right, friends, so first I am going to show you a quick video on being a good digital citizen. Just as you are trying to be a responsible, respectful person here at East Coventry, we are now also trying to continue those skills online. First, we're going to watch a video.
Use your head when you're online, most especially your mind. Think about the things you see. Ask good questions, that's the key. Use your arms when you're online to take a break and balance time and leave your tech behind. When you find yourself a tree to climb, from your head down to your toes, pause, think about it. From your feet up to your nose, pause and think online. Use your gut when you're online. Pay attention to its signs. Know when it's safe to play. Make good choices every day. Use your legs when you're online. Stand up to bullies who cross the line. You can help friends big or small. Just lend an ear and stand up tall. From your head down to your toes, pause, think about it. From your feet up to your nose, pause and think online. Use your feet when you're online. Think about the tracks you leave behind. Privacy's the way to go. Don't share with people you don't know. Use your heart when you're online. Always do what's right and kind by showing friends respect and being nice on the internet. So think with your head, balance with your arms, listen to your gut, stand up with your legs, make good tracks with your feet, and feel with your heart. Just pause and think online.
All right. And just as we had talked about, they have your arms for balance. Listen to your gut. Your feet are making good tracks and good decisions. You stand up for yourself with your legs. You feel with your heart. And you think with your head. Now you are given an opportunity to draw which one of those characters that most is likely that you will be doing online. So we're going to go to the top here where it says draw your character, and you're going to click it. And here is a Jamboard that you are going to get to create your own character. All right, so it says pick one of the digital citizens and draw how you will be like that character next time you're online. Now, most of you know what a lot of these tools are, but I'm going to review them quickly. The top one is the pen, and we can go from a pen to a marker, highlighter, and a paintbrush. And these are all the different colors you can use to change things. We've got our eraser to make some of those changes. We have the sticky note in case there is something you might want to have that person to say. There is also an upload an image, which I don't think you'll necessarily be doing. And there's also some shapes, as well as a text box down below. So there's a couple ways that you can draw your character. One of the ways that I was trying to do it was by just drawing the circle and kind of just maybe making him a little bit bigger with the circle. And then I was going to get my marker and come out here and make the legs. Now there is no wrong way to do this. Your character is your character, so you can do really whatever you would like to do. Now, if for some reason you just would rather just draw your character, you can do that too. Now, keep in mind, you can use a sticky note, And with that sticky note, you can even just write something like, I use my arms to balance. And save that, and it'll be there, and then I can use this and pull it down. Okay, so I'll be very curious to see what you guys come up with this. This is very exciting. Lastly, after we draw our characters, we are going on to the vocabulary spot. And here is an opportunity for you to write down some of the new words that we just learned. And certainly I'm here to help you with the spelling. And let me just open this up a little bit. So you're going to come to this vocabulary words page and you're going to hit the bottom button. You are going to put your name there so I know who this is. And you're going to write one of the new words that you learned. And even if it's not necessarily a word that you learned, we can even talk about some synonyms or other words that also mean the same as the word that you just learned, or even a smaller word or a new word. So say my word is going to be balance, and I'm just going to write that there. Now, if I wanted to, there's other things that can be done there, but I'm just going to leave that like that, and I'm going to press return. Now, there's 3 dots that are here, and if I wanted to edit the post, if I spelled something wrong, expand the post, I can make it bigger. If I wanted to change the color. So this gives you an opportunity to make it whatever you wanted it. All right, friends. Now we're going to stop with this piece of this, and you can come back and we can talk a little bit further about what you learned in your class and how we can be better digital citizens in speech as well as in any class that we're in. Thanks, guys, and have a great day.